Hello there, and welcome to the Reparenting Guide. Today we're beginning our reparenting journey through the chakras, and we'll start at the very foundation, the root chakra, pronounced Muladhara, meaning root support. The root chakra, or Muladhara, is located at the base of your spine, and its color is deep red, and its themes are safety, stability, and belonging. So when our root chakra is strong, we feel grounded, like we belong in the world and we can trust life to support us. But if we grew up in instability or neglect or emotional unpredictability, our root chakra may have been shaken. Reparenting is how we rebuild the safety from the inside out. So my childhood was very unstable, and my home environment was extremely chaotic and unpredictable. When I came home from school, sometimes I never knew if the lights were going to be on or off because a utility bill didn't get paid, or even if there was enough food in the refrigerator to eat. But most importantly, and sad for a little child, was I often came home to an empty house. I didn't know where my mother or father were or what they were doing most of the time in my childhood. I was extremely anxious because of this. And reparenting is one way in our adulthood to help heal the childhood wounds and to help heal our inner child. And for me, it's just done wonders, so much that I'm writing books about it. So along with self-reflection and self-improvement, finding our spiritual center, and even therapy with a good therapist, over the years, I've finally been able to become the good parent that my inner child always needed and wanted. Here are 5 reparenting exercises for your first or root chakra. 1, safe place visualization. Close your eyes and picture a safe, warm space where your younger self can rest. Maybe it was a fort you built out of sheets as a child, or maybe it's a brook in a forest that you imagine now, or stone circles, or a meadow. You get to choose where it is and what you want it to be. And now, see yourself there as the loving parent, offering comfort and protection and reassurance to your younger self. And then you can tell them, you are safe here with me. 2, grounding walks. Take a barefoot walk on grass, sand, or earth. Or if it's snowing outside, keep your boots on, but take a walk in it. Just feel the ground beneath your feet. Imagine the earth saying, I'm here, you belong. 3, home nesting. Create a physical space in your home that signals safety to your nervous system. Your bedroom, maybe on your bed, your couch, living room, your porch, or balcony if you have one, and then you can add blankets, soft lighting, a favorite scent, your sanctuary, and a safe place for your inner child. 4, affirmation ritual. Place your hands on the base of your spine, and you can say, I am safe, I am grounded, I am supported by life. And 5, stability actions. Do one small act each week that builds a sense of stability, whether it's adding a little money to your savings, planning your meals carefully and lovingly, or organizing a space in your home or apartment. Something that signals how well you can take care of your inner self. As children, we rely on caregivers to give us a sense of home, physically, emotionally, and energetically. If that wasn't there, we can end up as adults who feel unsafe, anxious, or like we're always waiting for the other shoe to drop. Through reparenting, you become the one that creates the safety for your inner child. Remember, you're a grown-up now. You are an adult. You are responsible for reparenting your inner child now. So, beloved, healing the root chakra is like tending to the soil before planting a garden. You're creating the safety that allows every other part of your being to bloom. One way to begin is find a photo of your younger self, maybe 2 to 5 years old, and put it on your refrigerator. This is how I started. I call my younger self Little. And I have a phrase under the photo that says, take care of Little today. That means I make sure she eats well, gets enough play, exercise, and rest. It's a bigger job than you think. So take it day by day. Today, your inner child can rest knowing you've got them now. In the comments, list one small way you'll be the loving mother and or father to your inner self. And know that by sharing yourself, you might help heal someone else. So stay tuned for the next in our series, where we'll explore the sacral chakra and how it connects to joy and emotional flow. And if this reparenting work resonates with you, I invite you to subscribe to this channel for gentle practices around healing, inner safety, and self-trust. I also offer one-on-one mindful coaching, Reiki, and intuitive tarot sessions for those who want deeper personalized support. And if you'd like to continue this work off screen, my upcoming book and companion workbook, You're More Healed Than You Know, are designed to guide you through reparenting at your own pace. All of those links are in the description, and you're welcome to explore them whenever it feels right for you. Until then, remember, you are safe, you belong, and you are deeply, deeply loved. Namaste.